sea level rise, water pollution, and seafood contamination. These environmental challenges in the Galveston Bay watershed in Texas led local community members to partner with the Houston Advanced Research Center, or HARC. HARC's Galveston Bay Report Card monitors the health of the bay through the analysis of habitat health indicators, like water quality, pollution events, and coastal changes. The results of the report card direct the community to where their efforts are needed. The report card offers online resources like Find Your Watershed and the What You Can Do tool, which suggests environmental actions based on the needs of the region. Local community members have already used the tool to plant marsh grass, pick up litter, restore oyster reefs, and install rain barrels. The Galveston Bay Report Card cultivates community-centered conservation. HARC's goal is to provide the necessary tools for community members to become environmental stewards. By supporting local action, they hope to improve the overall conditions in Galveston Bay. Congratulations to the Houston Advanced Research Center, the second place winner of the 2022 Gulf Guardian Award in the Civic Nonprofit category.